All right, this will be the trade recap for Monday, June 24th. I took a stab at some shorts here, had a small loss, took some more shorts here, cut that as a scratch. My thesis was invalidated pretty much right after entering, but that was still a 2.5 point loss, so a little bit more than I would have liked. And then caught one short here for a win, scaled out half of my position down here and then held, got close to stop at break even here. But then on this subsequent move, I got out the rest, got a pretty good exit on these two here, and then trailing stop on that last lot got taken there, but we'll get into the trade. So S&P was in this recent short-term balance between just this low at 5519 and then kind of the res wasn't just one level, it was more of a zone between starting here at 5545 all the way up to the 52s. Could even draw it all the way up here if you wanted, but did not. So I was looking for rejections pretty much anywhere within this level and then even right above, because failed breakouts of balances can be very very good setups. But yeah, here's all my exits. By the way, I haven't taken those off. I'm going to now, but it's where you can kind of see the exact level I got out at. Did I duplicate that? All right. So, first entry was at 10:02. So I saw aggressive buying into this balance high start to fail, and then selling loaded in, and that was enough for me to enter. So here's just aggressive buying into this 5550 level, right up in here. And you can see aggressive buying pushes up into this level right at 10:02, and then all of a sudden just slows down and some selling starts to enter in the market along with this ask loading in. And then I had a very tight stop below here, got a little bit of run up, and then aggressive buying stopped us out. And then we had a scratch. Pretty much right after, saw this selling come in and then cut that right away when this buying came in, still for a little bit more of a loss than I would have liked. And then my final entry came at 10:10. This time we get an aggressive break of our 5-5. I think the top was 5-5-5-2, 5-5-5-3 key level. Gets broken right here. Aggressive buying comes up a little bit above it, just a few points, and then starts to slow down up here, and then this ask loads in, and aggressive selling comes in off of that. And at that point, I'm willing to take a stab at a short with the thesis that my stop will be below here or above here, and we'll get a real quick retest of lower prices. And I was looking for first a break of this 5550 level, just because that's the top of the key level, and there was that consolidation there. And I was looking for a break into 4-5s. So I got out most of my position, more near the first target at the 5-0s, just below, and then I got out some closer to my 4-5 target. But yeah, overall was just looking for a quick move to retest this balance, and then if price were to fail here, possibly more dump down. But at this point, it looks like we might end up finding some support here and getting further continuation higher outside of this previous balance. But I'm going to be done for the day. One loss, one scratch, one solid win. It's good enough for any day of the week. It'll put you in the green.